Watch me formulate a brightening body lotion from the scratch. This lotion is packed with science-based brightening ingredients like ethyl ascorbic acid. It's a stable vitamin C derivative that fades dark spots, boosts your skin radiance. I used a niacinamide, which even out the skin tone, reduce dullness, and strengthen the skin barrier. I use kojic dipermeate that gently lighten pigmentation and glow your skin. I use N-acetylglucosamine, which work with synergy with niacinamide to reduce hyperpigmentation. It has hydrating ingredients, it has humectant, plant oils, it has silicone to lock in moisture and keep your skin supple. What to consider when making a brightening lotion? 1. The ingredient synergy. 2. Stability of the actives. 3. The skin type compatibility. 4. The pH balance and the formulation structure is very, very important. This is just a glimpse of what we teach at the Jimira Institute of Cosmetology and Aesthetics, a government-accredited school by National Board for Technical Education. Want to learn cosmetic formulation the right way? Register now and start your journey to become a certified cosmetic scientist and formulator. Our next class will be starting May, and I don't want you to miss that. Are you struggling with formulating professional standard skincare products? Then this class is for you. Are you into pro mixing? Are you stuck? You don't know what to do? Then this class is for you. Do you want to create professional products that can meet the global cosmetic standard? Then this class is for you. You will learn everything you need to know about making natural skincare product from the scratch. This is not pro-mixing where you mix all kinds of tubes, concentrated oils. No, we make it from the scratch using science-based ingredients. If you need part 2 of this video, then leave a comment in the comment section and I will quickly upload the part 2 of this video. Thank you.